Should I ask contractors what pumping pressure their equipment is capable of?
If while obtaining estimates, a contractor tries to sell you on their equipment being capable of more pressure than the competition, you're unfortunately being subjected to nothing more than a sales tactic or a marketing strategy. You see, it really only takes about 10 pounds per square inch or less to raise driveways, sidewalks, patios, garage floors. Most anything takes less than 10 pounds per square inch. Our equipment is capable of up to 2,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. However, we're never required to operate anywhere near those levels. So pumping pressures are really one of the last things you as a consumer need to be concerned about when evaluating estimates.